Vision is a priceless gift, enabling us to witness the beauty of the world and connect with the people we love. But for many, eye diseases like optic nerve atrophy, retinitis pigmentosa, or glaucoma can turn this gift into a daily struggle. That's where Stem Cell Care India steps in, with cutting-edge stem cell treatments tailored for patients from Australia. Stem cells are a game-changer in eye care. These remarkable cells possess the ability to repair and regenerate, offering hope for conditions once deemed untreatable. Whether it's age-related macular degeneration, retinal detachment, or septo-optic dysplasia, our specialized treatments aim to restore vision and transform lives. At Stem Cell Care India, we provide personalized care for a wide range of conditions, including optic nerve hypoplasia, eye injuries, retinopathy, optic neuropathy, and more. Our state-of-the-art facilities and experienced specialists ensure that every patient receives world-class care with the highest success rates. We understand that traveling for medical treatment can be overwhelming. That's why Stem Cell Care India is committed to making your journey stress-free. From visa assistance and airport pickups to accommodation and hospital arrangements, our dedicated guest relation officers will guide you every step of the way. India is not just a destination for advanced medical care. It's a place where innovation meets affordability. Our treatments are performed at internationally accredited hospitals, combining cutting-edge technology with compassionate care, all at a fraction of the cost compared to other countries. Imagine seeing the world clearly again, experiencing colors, faces, and memories without limits. We're here to help you regain your vision and rediscover the joy of sight. Contact us today at www.stemcellcareindia.com. Let's create a brighter future together.